Welcome back to the SKID factory, where today we're down at Cleveland Exhaust, aka Nugget Garage, aka the Hoffs,
aka Mel and Wendy's Love Nest.
There's probably lots of other names. We have Muzz ready to go. Twin turboed, LQ4, built by our mate Dave, who isn't an engine builder.
What could go wrong? Let's find out.
We always get your opinion, mate. What do you reckon?
It's better than a carbureted 330 stroke or whatever it was originally.
Did you originally tune that?
No, but it blew up on my
didn't
dyno.
get a chance.
Oh.
It was fine.
David.
So, I saw a comment about what happens if there is head gasket issues and it creates water injection into that turbo.
That wasn't a comment, that was me worrying about it.
Okay then.
That's why I put a clamp on it. Fixed. That do you?
Should be right.
Coming down to see the boys at Nugget Garage is always a good time. Not only are we getting an epic car tune, but we get to hang out with our good friends and enjoy a bit of banter. Packed full of cool cars and spare parts, the Hoff's workshop is just like any other car enthusiast with the exception of a dyno. We've briefed Scott and told him that we want to make 1000 horsepower. With confidence on our side, it's time to load up the Haltech software and get stuck into it. Did you already break something?
No, it's just got a spell on it that they suck a lot of power on startup. So the fuse that was in it blew already.
So it's not a Dave problem.
It's just a fan thing. They just pull so much current on startup that keeping fuses in them is a pain in the ass.
How can you see when it's so dark? I can't see shit, Captain.
I can't see when it's daylight, let alone when it's dark.
Where'd you get the fuse from?
The Hoff got it from his Sparky friendly auto electrician around the corner. 40 amp for the win.
With the first couple of runs down on the dyno, Al visually checks out the engine bay. Muzz has made 728 horsepower on only 12 psi.
Bro, you should see your face over there. You look like you're shitting yourself.
It's scary, bro.
Bit of gas coming out.
I'm waiting for like a flame to like shoot out and burn my face. I'm not gonna get in there
I'd
again.
be sick of it, burn off that mo.
Alright, thanks, dude. Oh, I've got no hair to burn.
The Hoff checks his data logs and modifies the tune to suit, adding a pound or two of boost before each run.
Shall we message Dave and tell him it blew up? Good, mate.
Are you sending him a photo of what it made?
No, not yet. Still got some more in it.
It might even blow up yet, you don't know.
Yeah, that's alright. Either way, we win.
How much boost is that now? That was like another £2.
That's 16.
Okay, how's that? That's crazy.
Plenty of turbo.
Nah, but you can make 1,000 with a Borg Warner, bro.
Yeah, of course you can. Straight off the back of a Scania. Hang on, it made 550 with that S475 on it.
Yeah. Quick math. What's this?
That's the responsibility of the shop to clean up the mess, isn't it?
Sorry, Dave.
What are we looking at here? Because I've got no idea. Okay, then intake air temp.
So every run prior to this, we had solid, fuel pressure rising with boost pressure.
Yeah.
But that last 2 pounds of boost or 3 pounds of boost, fuel pressure is now starting to fall away, even though the boost is increasing. So there's a big differential. So basically, it's out of pump.
So fuel pump.
Yeah, if you had engine protection set up for differential there, it probably would have treated it.
Oh wow.
And for some reason, when we get on it down here hard, it loses engine position temporarily.
Yeah, I saw that.
I don't know what it is.
Is that just a LS thing, or?
I have to do some research. Probably filtering, maybe.
Are you pretty happy with the result, mate?
That's cool. Makes power easy, eh?
How's the bang on 1,000?
Yeah, mate. that's just us.
You did that on purpose somehow, didn't you?
I reckon at 30 pound of boost that would make some power, eh?
Yeah.
Those turbos are just starting to work.
So get the credit card out, get a mechanical fuel pump or something. Is that what you would need, or
Still cable drive. Put it in the boot. Unless
cable drive?
Yeah, Waterman cable drive.
Okay then. And then Dave get into the sevens. Nah.
You'd need 500 on top of that.
Okay then.
Yeah, which I'm sure that turbo setup would do.
Maybe not the engine.
Maybe not the engine. And a catch can would be good.
Yeah, it did blow oil everywhere. Did you see the oil go everywhere? Did you see that? Yeah. It's
If you were making 1,000 horsepower, you'd probably blow shit everywhere too.
yeah, maybe.
My car puts 2 litres in the 10 every pass.
Yeah?
2 litres.
Well, the Corolla.
2 litres.
That means, Alan, we can use the 1,000 horsepower thumbnail.
Yeah, that's why it's 1,000.1. If it was 999.9, no dice.
No dice.
Our brief to the Hoff was we would like to see 1,000 horsepower because we reckon it would do it okay. So the Hoff is a very literal man, so he pretty much stopped at 1,000.1 horsepower.
I think he was watching the graph
Success.
while he was doing the pull and then just stopped there.
Might have been. Actually, he was probably watching important things like fuel pressure and stuff like that.
Of course he was.
Speaking of fuel pressure, we actually are seeing a drop in fuel pressure, so the pump is probably out of flow. It's been fine up until that last run, but so that's where it's staying unless the fuel pump is upgraded. The injector's got a little bit left into them, but not heaps.
70% duty, yeah.
70-ish percent. So, but yeah, as it is,
Pretty cool increase though.
just needs to go to the track, and Dave needs to learn how to drive.
Yeah.
And the car needs to learn how to drive straight and all those other things. So
People will let us know in the comment section what he needs to get done. It does get up on the
yeah,
angle. Even on the dyno when I was doing the pull, it was like lifting.
it is pretty much a stock suspension setup with adjustable upper arms, and
I don't even know if they're adjustable, are they?
the upper arms are just like pinion angle
Got
adjustment.
like Stocko double SLs and a
Yes.
Coney shocks from way back.
SSLs and some. No, it's got Munro.
That's it,
GT
Munro
gases.
GTs.
Only the finest $20 shock absorber.
What did this make before though? 550?
I think it made about 550, which is
Yeah.
absolutely pathetic, if I'm honest. And also, most of the power probably went out into the cooling system.
Yeah. Goes to show how well these turbos have performed. Huge thanks to Golby at Golby's Parts and the team up there helping us out, supplying some goodies. It's really helped us out.
Plasma Man for the mint intercooler.
Yep, works so well. Even after a pull, this was still like pretty cool. And today really isn't that warm, I suppose. It's not
It's
the
humid.
yeah.
It's always humid here.
The Go Fast Bits EX50 wastegates doing a treat. Just got to not burn yourself when you're walking past the car. But
If you're walking past the car when there's gas coming out of
It'll
that,
happen. It'll
you're a
happen.
very fast runner.
no, as in like after you've done a pull or something, even on the dump pipe. You done that on a Volkswagen Beetle before? I'm sure you have. I've done that.
Oh, stop talking about gross stuff.
So Dave's got to get this thing on a track. Unfortunately, the next test and tune is a month away, so there's going to be a little bit of a filler. Maybe we start our next build. I don't know. What are we doing next week?
Why not?
We'll speak to the editor and see what he wants to
Maybe
do.
we'll start the next build and then just throw the track session in
Halfway between.
midweek or something.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Yep.
We're stoked. Big job. Put a lot of work into this. Dave's put a lot of money into it. So everyone's happy because it's behaving itself.
Yeah.
So doesn't need any more power, just needs to get to the track and get used.
That's it. Thanks to the Hoff and Wendy for having us today, fitting us in at such short notice. As always, give them a call, and we've booked in. What did we book in? Like Friday, and it's Monday now, I think. Yeah, I don't know.
We probably should have told Dave that it was booked in too.
Yeah, sorry, Dave. So back onto the trailer, back to Dave's house. Then we get out to the track, out to Willowbank Raceway, and
See how it goes.
thanks for watching.
See you next week.
What's that?
Stick it on the page, bro.
Stick it on the Facebook.
Yeah, on the Facebook. Oh, wait. Whoa.
Allied, yeah, dog.
Allied.
Who?
Allied jumpers.
You get them out of the rag bin or something.
Allied jumpers and
Somebody
Skid
gave me
Factory
a shirt.
jumpers.
Hoodies, bro, hoodies.
Hoodies. Jumpers, hoodies the same thing.
Jumpers don't have a hood.
www.theskidfactory.com. Pre-order only. until the end of, or like mid-March, I think we're doing it too. Shipped anywhere in the world, and we can get them anywhere as far as I'm aware. And the Aussie dollar is like quite weak compared to like US and the pound, so pound sterling. Get them, Allied jumpers. Thanks for watching.